Are you looking for one of the best staycation in the metro? Then this video is for you! Breakfast with a sea view in the metro? Free access for Aqua Adventure na worth 400 each ang ticket? With free use of towel and locker? May gym, may playplace for kids, and 24 hours work area na may sea view din. And ang dami pang attraction to visit within the area. If you want a cool and relaxing place na kakaiba, then this is it. I booked my stay via Agoda, and take note, walk-in price is around 12,000. Pero let me tell you a little secret. If you book via Agoda, you can get this room for less than 6,000, and you can get an extra discount pa when you use this promo code AGODAJKMG. O diba? Sobrang sulit. Very easy, no hassle. Check-in counter is located at 3rd floor of the hotel. 2 PM pa nga ang check-in pero you're allowed to leave your things para makapaglibot-libot na. Kaya I suggest agahan nyo talaga para masulit nyo yung araw. We got the park view room, and kids 11 years old below are free. Yes mga ka-travel, walang extra payment. Perfect for family, barkada, at kahit a child for a day yourself. Ito talaga ang one of the most worth it staycation for me. You get the room, you get the view, you get the relaxation vibe, and the full day of fun here at Manila Ocean Park. So, if you want a cool getaway in the metro, try H2O Hotel and book with Agoda to see the world for less.